Hello guys, welcome to Media City Top 5 News Hours. The Ernakulam Government Medical College, which attained laurels for successful treatment coronavirus infected foreigners, including the 7-member UK tourist team, all of whom were high-risk category patients, is now in the eye of a storm. The hospital is facing serious allegations over the recent death of a COVID-19 patient at ICU, triggering a controversy. A nursing officer at the hospital in an audio clip said that a COVID-19 patient died due to negligence when he was about to be shifted from the ICU to the ward. The nursing officer alleged that the patient who was on the ventilator had died as the oxygen tubes were not properly connected. She also said in the voice clip that few other coronavirus patients has also died in the hospital due to negligence. Ahead of the upcoming Bihar Assembly election 2020, the BJP on Thursday released its poll manifesto promising 19 lakh jobs and free coronavirus vaccine for all. Notably, the election for the 243 assembly seats in Bihar will take place in 3 phases between October 28 till November 7. A human goals achievement, Flipkart recorded over 666 million visits during the Big Billion Day sales, with over 52% of these visits recorded from Tier 3 cities and beyond. The platform witnessed an astonishing 110 order placements per second. Flipkart saw 1.5 times number of transacting sellers compared to last year, and more than 35% witnessed 3 times higher sales numbers. Notably, number of crorepati sellers went up 1.5 times. The number of lakhpati sellers saw a 1.7 time jump. Importantly, 60% of the sellers were from Tier 2 and Tier 3 towns, indicating that metros and towns were not the only ones powering these sales. In the first 5 days, Flipkart delivered 10 million shipments, with over 3.5 billion shipments delivered by Kirana partners. The US had enough of 19 years in Afghanistan. President Donald Trump has said, reiterating that American troops are coming back from the war-torn country. Trump has repeatedly said that he would bring home all the US troops from endless wars. It was also one of the promises he made during his 2016 presidential campaign. Last month, he said that the United States will reduce the number of its troops in Afghanistan to 4,000 in a very short period of time. We never had anything like it, and sacrificing American blood and treasure in endless foreign wars in countries that you have never even heard of, and they are all coming back. You know that, right? I hope nobody objects, Trump told his supporters on Wednesday at an election rally in Gastonia in the battleground state of North Carolina. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and top political leaders on Thursday extended birthday greetings to Union Home Minister Amit Shah, who turned 56 years old today. Extending his birthday greetings to Shah, who is also known as the Chanakya of modern India, the PM said that the country is witnessing the dedication and excellence with which he is contributing towards India's progress. His efforts to make the BJP stronger are also noteworthy, PM Modi adds. Now let's wind up for the day. This is Media City Top 5 News Hours. Thank you and have a nice day.